Hello guys, I'm Farz and I'm here with another mobile Lightroom tutorial, and this tutorial about moody urban effect. So let's get started. Okay, first open your image and go to the light, and exposure I am decreasing a little bit. I think minus 0.2 is perfect, and contrast I am increasing around 50. That's fine. And highlights minus 23. Okay, then increase the shadow around 50. That's fine. Then I'm decreasing the white minus 80-81. Okay, and increasing the black around 60. Okay, this is fine. Now go to the curves and select RGB. Make a point there, and now bring this point a little bit up. I think this is fine. Another point there, and another one here. That's fine. Okay, now go to the color. Vibrance around 50. Okay, saturation minus 10. Okay, then go to the color mix, and red hue minus 14, then saturation minus 50, luminance around 15. Okay, then orange minus 10. Okay, saturation minus 23, luminance 26. Then hue minus 100, saturation minus 30, and luminance 26. Then green, saturation minus 100, then saturation minus 100, and again repeat the same thing for all the colors. Okay, okay, now go to the effects. Clarity around I hope you will love this video. If you did, hit the like button. Please do subscribe and leave a comment.